Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video we will discuss about CPA marketing in United States in 2022. Before we start the video, please subscribe our channel and also press the bell icon and choose right e-commerce platform. CPA marketing 2022, the ultimate guide for beginners. What is CPA marketing? How does CPA marketing work? CPA network terminology: CPA marketing payment model. What are the meaning of CPA marketing tips? CPA affiliate network. CPA marketing trends. What is CPA marketing now? CPA marketing is also known as cost per action marketing. Is a style affiliate marketing model that offers a commission of affiliate when a specific action is completed. The lead action can be anything from making a purchase to getting a quote, watching a video, or filling out a form. E-commerce site around the globe can leverage CPA marketing to create different other and online marketing campaigns. CPA network that promote these campaigns through the affiliates. The CPA affiliate and paid set each time referred visitor complete the action offer. User visit your website, click on affiliate link, file out the offer, complete human money. How does CPA marketing work? The CPA model is a simple concept once you break down into high affiliate or publisher, influencer, blogger, brand business that promote business model in order to drive traffic. With advertiser that desire CPA network. The platform that bring together the affiliate who want to make money by promoting products and the business that want their produce. A CPA network brings easy cooking together. E-commerce business like easy cooking utilize CPA network to find a pattern with an influencer like Lisa. Influencer like Lisa who want to make money in doing what in engaging their audience to CPA network to find companies that want to pay to use the promote their product. इसको तो रख जेब में वीडियो पूरी करनी हाउ टू वर्क एफिलिएट मार्केटिंग वर्क्स 3 मिनट पूरे करने ये टीवी अब क्या यहाँ लिया करवा दी Affiliate network record the purchase and CPA network terminology. Affiliate manager. Hope you like our video. Please subscribe our channel.